Just going to show you how you can recognize a good vanilla. If you take it like this and wrap it around your finger, it should undo itself without breaking or anything. This is a good
that's a good, interesting tip. Hi, welcome to Klinken'skitchen. Today I have a guest. Welcome.
Thank you.
You like vanilla?
I like vanilla. I'm a vanilla enthusiast, so I'm looking forward to telling you all about vanilla today. So what is good vanilla? I'm going to show you some vanilla and have you smell them and then tell me what you think. This one is from Costa Rica.
Oh, it's good. It's flour and prunes. No. And what else?
Caramel. And
caramel. Yeah, that's kind of, and of course vanillin, the chemical. Yeah. So that's one type.
Yeah, the vanillin is the taste of vanilla that can be artificially produced.
Yes.
So,
but these are much more complex and much more interesting in flavor because they have so many more things. Ooh, this is
different. This is
anise.
Yes, there is.
And also some, I don't know, some fruity things, some flour, some, I don't know what.
This is the tahitensis. This is a Tahiti vanilla from vanilla from
I love that
Tahiti.
one.
Yeah, that's typical. Not to offend you by your age, but it is the way that the vanilla you had as a child is typically the one you prefer for the rest of your life. So you being a little bit older than me, that is typical for your age group that you prefer the Tahiti vanilla.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
Whereas I do prefer the pianifolia or the bourbon vanilla that we have here. So that's quite interesting. You can also see families coming together to my stand. Typically, the group will be like, oh, this is amazing, but I like this one best. And everybody will agree on which one is the best.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So you are growing up with a flavor of vanilla that you will prefer most of your life.
Yeah.
But maybe you can learn something new and...
It's not that you dislike the other. It's just that this one brings back, flash your memory of your childhood vanilla ice cream with your grandmother in the sun. You're back.
Yeah. I've just rinsed some fresh strawberries that are in season now. What kind of vanilla do you think we should use for a Danish Råcreme? A cream for that?
We could use both. There is no rule of which ones of these that are best for the cream. For the cream, no. But I think the tahitensis, your favorite, is actually really good for that kind of thing because it has this flowery, very summery. This is the only vanilla I would say that you can actually get too much of. If you put too much of this into
then
a
it's
cake,
getting too intense.
then you're just going to be like, whoa, is there anything else but vanilla?
Okay, let's do a cream of that.
Let's do a cream.
This is what we need for the cream. 50 grams of sugar, 4 egg yolks, the vanilla, and 2.5 deciliter of cream.
So for 6 people, I would probably, for a vanilla pod like this, I wouldn't use more than 1/3 of a pod. If you put in more,
because it's so intense and
it's
has
so
already
intense, you will not taste the strawberries. So I'll take approximately a third of it. I'll then crack it open.
And the vanilla.
And look at this.
Oh wow. Will be mixed with egg yolks and sugar in a second. The smell is so good, right? So we are gonna use these fresh, wonderful egg yolks and they will be mixed in a second. You will start to whisk the egg yolks with vanilla. Yes. It's busy in the kitchen today. We are doing Råcreme, Danish Råcreme. You rinse the strawberries with the leaves and then after you remove them before serving the strawberries with the cream. We are almost done. And here are the whipped egg yolks with vanilla and sugar, and I will mix that with the nice whipped cream. Now I will mix these two lovely smooth creams together to a typical Danish Råcreme for the strawberries. Is vanilla a flower?
Vanilla comes from a flower. Actually, the flower is hand-pollinated on all the vanilla that you can buy. Vanilla grows on orchids, and it's the fruit of the orchid. But the vanilla plant doesn't want to make this fruit. It's not useful for it. It spreads by cutting, so it will cut off a branch and it will grow on. The vanilla is like an appendix that is no longer of use. So therefore, the vanilla flower is made, so it's very difficult to pollinate, which is why you have to do it by hand. And you should be able to manipulate it like this, like they do when they're doing the curing. It should be soft, leather-like. So wrap it around your finger, let it go, and it should unfold itself, no cracks. That's a good vanilla.
It's time to taste our wonderful vanilla cream.
Thank you.
So we can have a strawberry. Please have a taste.
Thank you.
It's really, it's yummy. So what do we do with these ones? Never throw them away, right?
Don't throw them away. There's still plenty of taste and plenty of smell left in them. So you can use them for plenty of different things. You can put them in sugar. That's the traditional way of keeping them. Or you can put them in salt. That will do the same thing.
Sugar, salt, and you mentioned also earlier olive oil, right?
Yeah. Put them in a really good olive oil, and then you can just sprinkle it lightly over a salad or over some steamed fish. It's really delicious. And also you can use it in non-food things, like putting it in your hand soap or in your cream. Who doesn't want to smell like vanilla?
Thank you. Thanks for visiting my kitchen today. It was a pleasure. You can find links below. Thanks for watching the video today.